Python pivot table margins equals true not summing well. I have the below code. Which generate this table. But this parameter margins equals true is not giving correct result of total of each columns. For instance, date received should be 125 instead of 106, date sent should be 106, it is correct, and date to send should be 19 instead of 0.00. Question, what am I supposed to change to get correct numbers? Also, there is lack on all that should do a sum of each row. Thanks a lot in advance.
It seems from your code that you create the date to send after the pivot table is constructed, so it's just giving you the result of 106.0 to 106.0. Also, the way margin values are calculated with the default dropner equals true after grouping means that any row with a nan or nat will be dropped. Setting dropner equals false should fix this problem. I refactored your code to convert the received and sent columns to date_time format before creating the pivot table and the to_sent column. Then create the pivot table, which was originally intended.